Welcome to this special program in which I give you reviews and breaking news. As a follow-up to the High Court ruling in Zimbabwe, which was brought by the Young Lawyers Association of Zimbabwe against the President E.D. Munangagwa. The President, under the Amendment Bill number 2, had given himself sweeping powers, among them the right to extend the tenure of office for his Chief Justice Malaba, who just turned 70, by another 5 years, which was challenged by the civic society led by the Young Lawyers Association. The MDC today issued a communique defending the Constitution and also defending the judges who presided over the case. The communique reads, "The MDC Alliance welcomes the recent ruling by a panel of 3 judges of the High Court on the lawfulness of the purported extension of former Justice Malaba's tenure as head of the judiciary. We believe in the ideals of constitutionalism, the rule of law, separation of powers, judicial independence, and good governance. These values are not negotiable, as they serve to deepen our democracy. It was important for the High Court to uphold them." The communique further adds, "However, we are extremely concerned that the executive in general, and the Minister of Justice, Legal and Parliamentary Affairs in particular, saw it fit to issue an intemperate and contemptuous statement against the judges who presided over the important matter, civic society, and the MDC Alliance. We call upon the Minister to retract and apologize for his unfounded allegations and for scandalizing the court. We further demand that he held to be accountable for his unethical and dangerous remarks that threaten the independence of the judiciary and the constitutional right to protection of the law." It further adds that we believe that the undue haste with which the constitutional amendment bills were handled is an indication that they were intended to achieve a sinister objective that does not enhance our democracy. Rather, the amendments undo the will of the people as expressed in a nationwide referendum and the painstaking work that led to the crafting of the Constitution. A respect for the will of the people demands that any process of amendment must be consultative and inclusive, as opposed to the unilateralism that has been exhibited by the Minister of Justice and the executive. The communique further adds that it is our respectful view that the constitutional amendments are fraught with irregularities, which irregularities were pointed out by our MPs in Parliament and by a number of citizens during the public hearing processes. The people's right to be heard must be respected. We reiterate that it is imperative for laws to be aligned to the Constitution, as opposed to the unlawful attempts to change the supreme law, notwithstanding the overwhelming opposition to the process. The communique concludes by making an affirmation that the Constitution is the supreme law of the land that binds everyone in line with our people's agenda. We reaffirm the citizens' collective obligation to defend the Constitution. Signed by the Secretary for Legal and Parliamentary Affairs, Honorable Innocent Gones. That's a communique from MDC Alliance. No doubt that we'll hear quite a lot from ZANU-PF, since the government appealed that ruling yesterday. I'll keep you updated. Until then, my name is Elliot Fevem. I thank you.